The case against the surviving marathon bombing suspect, Dzhokhar Tsarnaev, will play out to some extent in federal court today.
Our Jackie Bruno is live outside federal court with a preview of today's hearing and what they're asking for. Jackie?
Well, they're going to be asking for a bunch of things. One of those things is more leniency. They want to reduce some of the charges. They also want some of the restrictions that Dzhokhar Tsarnaev is currently facing in jail to be eased. 20-year-old Dzhokhar Tsarnaev won't be in court today, but his lawyers will be. He's currently facing a 30-count federal indictment, including 18 counts that carry the death penalty, after allegedly setting off a pair of bombs at the marathon last year. That attack killed 3 people and injured more than 260 others.
The evidence of guilt, from what we know, is virtually overwhelming. I don't see a jury coming back with a not guilty verdict on the charges themselves. The question, and it's a legitimate question, especially in this area, is whether you would have a jury that is able to give a relatively young man the death penalty.
Tsarnaev's lawyers are hoping the judge will grant their request to reduce the number of charges against him. They say the 30-count indictment is redundant and could sway jurors towards the death penalty. They'll also be asking to ease his restrictions in jail.
It's so unique that you're really in uncharted territory.
But Tsarnaev's lawyers have handled death penalty cases before. Their goal will be to paint older brother Tamerlan Tsarnaev as the ringleader, hoping to create sympathy for younger brother Dzhokhar.
They're captured on video at the finish line. They were captured together virtually in Watertown a few days later. I don't see where just pointing the finger at the empty chair, as lawyers would call it, the person that's not present in the courtroom, is likely to be successful.
So we will hear more today in court. That is supposed to take place at 10 o'clock today. So we will have a crew in there bringing you the latest live, both out here on air, online, and of course on Twitter. So follow us online and on Twitter as well for the latest updates from inside court, because as we know, cameras are not allowed inside court. Back over to you, Christy.
Jackie Bruno reporting live. Thank you.